Hey everybody, today on Henry's House I'm going to show you how to make Armenian pork kebabs. Let's get straight into it. So guys, I'm going to be doing this recipe based on 1 kilo of pork loin. You can also use pork shoulder for this. So first thing you need to do is trim it up. I've obviously taken the fat cup off already. So you just want to check for any sinew and you want to get rid of that as well. So a little bit like this is okay because that's just going to burn when we cook it. And next what we're going to do is cube this up. So we want to try and make about 1 centimeter around cubes like that. And we're just going to place it onto a bowl like so. Next we'll bring across 1 brown onion. And we just want to coarsely chop this up and add it straight to our bowl as well. Next I'm going to bring across half a handful of fresh parsley. And all we want to do is just chop this up as well. Now we don't want it too fine, but we don't want it too coarse either. And we'll add this straight to our meat as well. So next we're going to add in about 2 crushed garlic cloves. And we'll add 1 heaped teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of dried chili flakes. You can add more if you want it to be extra spicy. 1 teaspoon of dry oregano. Next we'll add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm also going to add in 1 cup of pomegranate juice. All we need to do now is give this a good mix together. Now we're just going to cover this with some cling wrap and we're going to put it straight into the fridge for at least 4 hours. Preferably overnight for best results. And then we can go ahead and cook it. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is give it another quick mix to make sure everything's well covered. In the meantime we're going to start to preheat our grill. And let's go ahead and skewer these. So I'm going to skewer these on my long thin metal skewers like so. But you can also do bamboo skewers. So we'll go ahead and thread these straight on. Just like so. And you want to put pieces that are about the same size, just so they all cook at the same time. And we'll just continue doing that. Alright, and we'll go ahead and put these straight on the grill. After about 30 seconds, we'll flip our skewers to seal the meat and keep all that flavour in. After another 30 seconds, we'll flip our skewers again. And basically all we're doing is flipping our skewers every 30 seconds until it's cooked all the way through. This should only take about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, so we're at the 5-minute mark now. As you can see, they're cooked all the way through. We've got a beautiful char. So let's go ahead and serve. So just on some fresh flatbread here, we're going to push down from the top of our skewer, from the bottom push all the way up. Alright, and there we have it, ready to be enjoyed. So this can be enjoyed on its own, with rice on the side, or you can wrap it up in flatbread, as I'm about to do, but obviously not with all of it. And you can finish it up with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice as well. I hope you liked that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.